Hello, my name is Felicia Cheek, Director of HCM Cloud Product Strategy. Today I'll be covering some of the latest investments to Oracle's HCM Workforce Rewards Compensation and Benefits Update 20B. These investments were made to support our global customers with unique business rules and personalized experience needs. Oracle continues to demonstrate our ongoing commitment to simplifying and streamlining routine activities, and this latest release provides configuration support for Workforce Rewards business processes. During this spotlight, I will highlight some of our key investments to email alerts, enhanced eligibility profiles, salary grade ladder steps, stock grants, market composites in workforce compensation, and compensation change statements. First up, email alerts. In Update 20B, we've added email alerts that are designed to notify participants of changes or potential changes to their benefits. We've delivered several predefined notification templates using the Common Alerts functionality, which now allows you to send personalized emails to participants. For example, you can now notify eligible participants that it is the open enrollment period for your business. The personalized notification will let the participants know that open enrollment is due to start. Next, enhance eligibility profiles. We continue to design the system to be flexible and agile, as you will see with the enhancements we've made to benefit eligibility profile criteria. We've added the ability to select benefits based on home location. This new feature will be beneficial in countries like the United States, Canada, and others. State and city labels can be used to designate province or canton or other location designations within a country. For example, you can create an eligibility profile to make only those employees in the state of California eligible for your health insurance plan, or you can make all employees in the state of California eligible except for employees in Redwood City. Now I'll cover the new enhancements to salary grade ladder steps. You can now automatically step up or step down with salary grades. In the past, a warning was generated and a separate action was required to complete a transaction when the scenario generated a lower salary. Now, compensation can be configured so that the proposed salary can be less than the current salary when it is set by progression grade ladder rates during HR actions. Next, the new enhancements to stock grants. In Update 20B, we've added more columns to stock grants. Now you can track vest date, exercise date, and cancellation date. You can also use the new miscellaneous columns to add more data as required. Moving on to market composites in workforce compensation. We've enhanced the workforce compensation worksheet to display market composites. Now HR can see worker compensation data compared to the market for the job and location the employee is in. This information is now at HR's fingertips to help make analysts more productive. Finally, compensation change statements. With Update 20B, you can now produce compensation change statements in bulk. Managers can produce an unlimited number of compensation change statements at one time. Also, accessibility to compensation change statements is timelier. Managers can now ensure employees have access to compensation change statements at the right time. As you can see, we've added many enhancements in Update 20B. For more on Oracle's HCM Workforce Rewards Compensation and Benefits, please visit oracle.com/readiness and these other resources. Thanks for your time today.